Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today is day 19 of solving daily problems on Geeks for Geeks. Let us see what today's problem is. So the problem says the sum of nodes on the longest path from root to a leaf node. So this problem is related to trees. Okay, let us try to solve this problem. So the problem says given a minority having n nodes, find the sum of all nodes on the longest path from root to any leaf node. If two or more paths compete for the longest path, then the path having maximum sum of nodes will be considered. Okay, so given here the example, this is the tree, and you can see you have to calculate from root to the leaf node the longest sum. Okay, so here you can see that starting node is 4, and then you can move to 2, then 1, and then 6, and it will sum up to 30. So this will be the longest path sum. Okay, same is written here. The highlighted nodes above are part of the longest root to leaf path having sum 30. So let us see it with the help of another example. So this is my tree, and you can see this is my root node here, and after that you can see that it has 1 2 3 4 levels, and this root node is pointing to 1. Then I have a leaf node which are pointing to different nodes. So in this first I will move and check whether this sum is, this is a leaf node or not. Then I will move again and check if this is a leaf node, and then when I will reach a leaf node I will sum them. 8 plus 4 will be 12, 13, 14 and 15. Okay, so at this time I'm getting 15 as my sum. Then I will check if right also exists, so I will follow this path the next time. So I will take 9 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1, which will give me it was giving us the sum of 15. So this will give me a sum of 16. Okay, so another leaf node is this will give me a sum of 8. This is not the maximum sum. Another leaf node is this will give me a sum of 19. Okay, and another leaf node is this, and this will give me a sum of 18, 19, 20, 21, it will be 22. So as you can see in this, the longest path sum, it is this path. Okay, so I have to just return the sum. So 1 3 1 3 7 and 13, 11 is producing the longest sum, which is 22 here. Okay, so we will solve this problem in Python. Let us see the code here. So here the code says that first is the function given sum of long root to leaf path. Okay, then we have defined another function which is DFS. We are using the DFS approach to solve this problem. So this is the base condition that if node reaches the null, I have to return 0, 0. Otherwise, I have initialized here two variables, max depth and max sum. Max depth will tell me about the about the nodes in my given path I am taking, and max sum is their sum. So then I am recursively calling it for the left and right node, and after that I am returning from this function max depth plus 1 and max sum plus node data. And after the completion of this function I am returning DFS root 1 from my sum of long root to leaf path function, which is used in Python to calculate the sum of longest chain, or you can say longest path in the given tree, which is resulting in giving us the maximum sum. So this is the Python function which is used to calculate it. So let us try to run this code. Okay, it is accepted. Now let's just submit this. So it is accepted, and we have completed today's problem of the day, and I hope the solution is clear to you. And please like the video, comment on it, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you on the next video.